Hello, it's still unboxing time. Okay, guys. Next is Tara. This is not lipstick, guys, but mmm, it's so sweet. It's so. Okay, guys, so this is, okay. So I will be using this, guys, when I will have taping. So taping celebrity. So you know that Ma'am Shawi Vlog is a celebrity now. Charot. So I will be wearing this. Wearing? Uh, I will be wearing this when I have when I will have taping or shooting. Yeah. So I feel as if that I am a celebrity. Yeah. So because Coco Martin has already invited me to be part of the Batang Quiapo. So I will be wearing this for that. I will be preparing myself for that big event, for that big taping. Cool. Martin. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Coco Martin, for the invitation. So, thank you. Thank you for this fragrance, for this very mm, sweet fragrance. Thank you. Shout out, Coco Martin.